In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the headlights on your Hyundai Accent. This is going to be located in the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 4 bolts on the top trim. Remove the plastic screws in each corner. And remove the clip. Do this on the other side. Here we are on the bottom of the car looking up at the bottom of the bumper. We have 2 of the plastic screws we need to remove using a Phillips head. Unscrew the screw and pull out the plug. We have 1 more right in the front. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the 3 plastic clips. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt on the corner of the bumper. This is located in the fender well. Remove the bolt. Do the same thing on the other side. Lift up on the top trim for the bumper near the hood latch. Pull straight out and remove the bumper. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bottom screws for the headlight. There's 1 right under the front, and there's 1 on the side. Remove the 2 bolts and do the same thing on the other side. Using a 10mm socket, remove the top bolt for the headlight in the front. We have 1 more in the back of the headlight. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the connector off the back of the headlight. Push on the push tab right where my thumb is. Pull straight back and remove that connector. We have 1 more connector in the front bottom of our headlight. Push on the push tab right where my thumb is. Pull straight down, remove that connector, and remove the headlight. We're going to swap our headlight bulbs from the old assembly to the new. Twist that cap open. Pull the connector straight off of the bulb. Push on the tab and release it, and remove the bulb. Twist the front bulb connector. Push and twist the bulb down and in, and it'll release. Twist and unlock the socket, and remove the bulb. Using a Phillips head bit, remove the 2 screws for the bracket. And remove the bracket. Twist and release the socket for the new assembly. Install the bulb. Reinstall the socket, twist until it locks into place. Open the headlight cover. Install the bulb. Be sure that the bulb is sitting properly. It can only sit one way, and it should almost lock into place. It won't be able to twist once it's there. Close the latch down around the bulb and install the connector. Install the cap, make sure it locks into place. Get that front socket out. Push the bulb down into place. Give it a twist. It'll lock into place. You won't be able to pull it out. Install the socket. Lock it down into place. Swap this over to the new assembly. Install the screws, install the headlight, install the front bottom connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Grab that top connector, do the same thing, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Line up the headlight. Get the top 2 bolts installed. Install the bolt through the side of the headlight. Get it nice and snug. We have one more through the front. Install the bumper into place. Make sure all the clips pop into place. Install the bolt in the corner of the bumper. Install the plastic clips into the front bumper. We have one more all the way in the front. Repeat the same process on the other side. Install the screws at the top of the bumper. Install the plastic clips in the front corner of the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side, and you're good to go.
Now let's get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure that all 4 tires are set to the appropriate vehicle manufacturer specified pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Then transfer that height measurement to the wall, marking it with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, marking that with another piece of tape. On the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turn the headlights on. It is easiest to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster, and in most cases using a Phillips head screwdriver, you can turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight beam up or down. Once one headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for this one. With the second one adjusted, your headlights are now aimed correctly and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.